Jeunesse's Advanced Night Repair combines the expertise and technologies of renowned physicians. Luminesce Advanced Night Repair works while you sleep, when cellular repair is most active, by enhancing the health of your skin's DNA. This powerful cosmeceutical is based on the most advanced clinical research available and is designed to enhance specific metabolic pathways involved in the aging process. Luminesce Advanced Night Repair includes naturally derived ingredients that help repair your DNA on a cellular level and combat the appearance of premature aging. Luminesce Advanced Night Repair combines the latest patent technology to correct the environmental damage of the past and fortify your skin for the future. It supports natural self-repair mechanisms during the night to reduce the signs of aging from the effects of harmful agents, leaving your skin renewed and revitalized. Luminesce Advanced Night Repair provides maximum hydration, restores moisture, and diminishes the signs of time on your skin. Cell repair occurs best during deep sleep.